German cars have a reputation problem. Consumer Reports rated them below average for reliability in 2024. But 3 specific models averaged over 200,000 miles with lower repair costs than Honda and Toyota. The data shows which German cars actually last and which ones will cost you thousands in repairs after the warranty expires. Number 10. Porsche Macan. Porsche ranked second in J.D. Power's 2024 brand dependability study with 162 problems per 100 vehicles. The Macan specifically scored 4 out of 5 in Consumer Reports reliability ratings for model years 2019 through 2024. Owner surveys from Edmunds showed average maintenance costs of $1,200 annually through the first 5 years. That's $800 less than the BMW X3 and Mercedes GLC over the same period. The 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder has documented examples exceeding 180,000 miles. Common issues include minor electrical glitches with the infotainment system after 60,000 miles. The all-wheel drive system shows minimal problems through 150,000 miles, according to independent mechanic reports. These hold value better than most German SUVs. A 2019 Macan, originally priced at $52,000, sells for approximately $32,000 in 2025. That's 38% depreciation over 5 years, compared to 52% for the Mercedes GLC. The Volkswagen Golf. The 7th-generation Golf earned a 4 out of 5 reliability rating from Consumer Reports. The 8th generation, starting in 2022, maintains similar ratings for model years tested so far. According to TrueDelta reliability surveys with data from 12,000 owners, the Golf averaged 118 problems per 100 vehicles. The compact car segment averaged 145. The 1.4-liter and 1.8-liter turbocharged engines show average lifespans exceeding 200,000 miles when maintained properly. Water pump failures occur around 80,000 to 100,000 miles. Replacement costs $600 to $900. The DSG automatic transmission requires fluid changes every 40,000 miles. Skip this maintenance and you're looking at $3,500 transmission repairs by 100,000 miles. Total cost of ownership through 150,000 miles averages $42,000, including purchase, maintenance, repairs, and fuel. That's $3,200 less than the segment average according to Edmunds' 5-year cost of ownership data. Number 8. Audi Q5, 2018 to 2026. The 2nd-generation Q5 ranks above average in J.D. Power studies with 178 problems per 100 vehicles. Consumer Reports gave the 2018 through 2021 Q5 models 4 out of 5 reliability scores. The 2.0-liter turbocharged engine in these years has documented examples exceeding 220,000 miles. The Quattro all-wheel drive system proves durable. Independent mechanic associations report minimal drivetrain issues through 200,000 miles. The 8-speed automatic transmission shows failure rates below 2% through 150,000 miles. Common problems include oil consumption after 100,000 miles. Some owners report adding 1 quart every 3,000 miles. This doesn't cause engine failure, but requires monitoring. Carbon buildup on intake valves needs cleaning around 80,000 miles. Cost ranges from $400 to $800. Annual maintenance costs average $1,400 through the first 10 years. Luxury SUV segment average is $1,600. Porsche 911. Porsche's flagship sports car consistently ranks as the most reliable performance vehicle. The 991.2 generation from 2016 to 2019 and the current 992 generation both score 4 out of 5 or 5 out of 5 in Consumer Reports reliability ratings. The 3.0-liter twin turbocharged flat-6 engine has proven durable. Owner forums document multiple examples exceeding 150,000 miles with only routine maintenance. The naturally aspirated engines in earlier years show even better longevity, with examples exceeding 200,000 miles. According to Porsche's own warranty claim data, the 911 has lower claim rates than any other model in their lineup. J.D. Power's 2024 study showed the 911 averaged 142 problems per 100 vehicles. Annual maintenance costs run high at $2,200 on average, but major repairs are rare. The PDK dual-clutch transmission proves more reliable than traditional automatics. Failure rates under 1% through 100,000 miles, according to independent Porsche specialists. These cars hold value exceptionally well. A 2019 Carrera S, originally priced at $115,000, sells for approximately $85,000 in 2025. That's 26% depreciation, compared to 45% for the Mercedes-AMG GT. Number 6. BMW 3 Series. The F30 Generation 3 series from 2012 to 2019 and the current G20 generation both show above-average reliability for BMW. Consumer Reports gave multiple model years 4 out of 5 ratings. The 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, designated B48 in current models, has proven BMW's most reliable engine. According to BMW warranty data obtained through owner forums, this engine has claim rates 55% lower than the previous N20 engine it replaced. The 8-speed automatic transmission from ZF shows excellent reliability. Failure rates under 2% through 150,000 miles, according to independent BMW specialists. The 6-speed manual transmission, available in some models, proves even more durable with minimal reported issues. Common problems include coolant system leaks after 80,000 miles. Water pump and thermostat housing failures cost $800 to $1,200 to repair. Oil filter housing gasket leaks occur around 100,000 miles. Repair costs $400 to $600. According to TrueDelta reliability surveys, the F33 series averaged 154 problems per 100 vehicles. The luxury compact segment averaged 178. The newer G20 generation shows even better early reliability data. Annual maintenance costs average $1,400 through the first 8 years. That's $200 more than the Audi A4, but $300 less than the Mercedes C-Class, according to RepairCall data. Number 5. Volkswagen Jetta. The 6th-generation Jetta offers budget-friendly German engineering with above-average reliability for the compact sedan segment. Consumer Reports gave the 2016 through 2018 Jetta models reliability ratings of 4 out of 5. The 1.4-liter turbocharged engine introduced in 2016 shows the best longevity data, with documented examples exceeding 180,000 miles. According to TrueDelta owner surveys, the Jetta averaged 132 problems per 100 vehicles. The segment average was 148. Common issues include ignition coil failures around 60,000 miles, replacement costs $400 for all 4 cylinders. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission requires fluid changes every 40,000 miles. Maintenance costs $350 to $450. Total maintenance costs to 150,000 miles average $6,200. That's $1,100 less than the Honda Civic over the same period, according to Your Mechanic's data on average repair costs. 5-year-old examples sell for 45% of their original price. That's close to segment average and better than most German competitors. Porsche Cayenne. Porsche's SUV matches the brand's reliability reputation. The 2nd generation from 2011 to 2018 and 3rd generation from 2019 onward both rank above average in multiple reliability studies. J.D. Power's 2024 study showed the Cayenne averaged 159 problems per 100 vehicles. The luxury SUV segment averaged 198. Consumer Reports gave recent model years 4 out of 5 reliability ratings. The 3.0-liter supercharged V6 from the 2nd generation has proven durable, with documented examples exceeding 200,000 miles. The newer turbocharged V6 and V8 engines in 3rd generation models show early reliability, though long-term data is still being collected. Air suspension systems require maintenance. Compressor replacements cost $1,200 to $1,800 and typically occur around 100,000 miles. The standard steel spring suspension eliminates this issue and proves more reliable long-term. Annual maintenance costs average $1,800. That's $600 less than the BMW X5 and $800 less than the Mercedes GLE, according to RepairPal's 5-year cost data. These hold value well for luxury SUVs. A 2019 Cayenne, originally priced at $68,000, sells for approximately $42,000 in 2025. That's 38% depreciation, compared to 48% for the BMW X5. Audi A3. The 3rd-generation A3 is Audi's most reliable model per Consumer Reports, with 2017 to 2020 models earning perfect 5 over 5 ratings. Its 2.0-liter turbo engine, shared with VW Golf, has documented cases exceeding 220,000 miles. TrueDelta surveys show 98 problems per 100 vehicles versus the segment's 156. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission needs $400 fluid changes every 40,000 miles. Skip it and face $4,000 plus repairs at 100,000 miles. Quattro models match front-wheel drive reliability with slightly higher maintenance. 5-year ownership costs $48,000, beating BMW 2 Series by $4,000 and Mercedes A-Class by $6,000. Common issues include infotainment screen failures after 80,000 miles, costing $800 to $1,200 to replace. Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The W213 E-Class defies Mercedes' reliability reputation, earning 4 over 5 ratings from Consumer Reports. The 2.0-liter turbo four-cylinder has 40% fewer warranty claims than larger engines through 100,000 miles. J.D. Power reports 183 problems per 100 vehicles versus the segment's 201. Annual maintenance averages $1,600 over 7 years. The 9-speed automatic proved reliable after early software fixes, with post-2017 models showing under 3% failure rates. Air suspension requires $2,500 to $3,500 maintenance at 80,000 miles. Conventional suspension avoids this. Heavy depreciation creates value. A 2019 E300 drops from $54,000 to $28,000, 48% loss, making used purchases attractive for reliability-focused buyers seeking German luxury.
Porsche Macan and Cayenne. Porsche's SUVs lead German reliability rankings, with Porsche placing second in J.D. Power's 2024 brand study. Consumer Reports awarded both models top ratings for consecutive years. The Macan averages 145 problems per 100 vehicles versus the segment's 195, with documented examples exceeding 200,000 miles. The Cayenne shows under 1% major drivetrain failures through 150,000 miles. Both share reliable drivetrains, including the durable 3.0-liter turbo V6. Annual maintenance costs $1,600 to $1,800, saving $400 to $800 versus BMW and Mercedes competitors. Common issues include minor infotainment problems after 70,000 miles and air suspension maintenance at 100,000 miles. Depreciation beats segment averages. Macan retains 62% value after 3 years, Cayenne 58%, versus segment averages of 52% and 48%. German cars earned their unreliable reputation. Consumer Reports' 2024 rankings placed most German brands below average.
Porsche ranked second, but BMW hit 20th, Mercedes 22nd, and Volkswagen 23rd. Yet, exceptions exist. The Porsche Cayenne and Macan average 162 problems per 100 vehicles, while the Audi A3 averages 98 and VW Golf 118, competing with reliable Japanese brands. Maintenance costs run higher, $1,200 to $1,800 annually versus Japanese competitors' $800 to $1,200. Your Mechanics analysis of 2.3 million repair orders shows these German models cost $10,200 over 10 years, $2,600 more than Japanese cars. But major repair rates match luxury segment averages, proving German engineering can deliver reliability.